So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. This video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can add your Trust Wallet to Google Chrome extensions. So guys, if you don't know how to add Trust Wallet to your Google Chrome extension, then this video is for you. All you need to do is just go ahead and open Google Chrome, and once you're in this home page, just look at this top right 3-dot button. Just tap there and now you'll see these options. All you need to do is just go ahead and find extensions. Keep searching till you find extensions, and it's right here. Once you tap there, you'll see even more options like manage extension and visit Chrome Web Store. We just need to tap on the second option, and now we have this search bar. Just go ahead and type Trust Wallet, and guys, first option says Trust Wallet, and all you need to do is tap there. And guys, now you will see the option that says add to Chrome. Just go ahead and tap there, and guys, it's downloading and it says that it has been added. This is how you add your Trust Wallet extension to Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.